Hey, welcome back, y'all. Hey, we back on this Friday. Let's go. Hey, let's go, y'all, man. All right, look, I'm on early. I'm on early because look, my kid has an appointment today. I have somewhere to be in an hour or so. So I said, you know what? I got an hour. Let me go ahead and be on this live with y'all. All right, guys. Look, I already have the previous day high and the previous day low set. So we're gonna try to find some plays, some quick plays before this market open. And you know, cause I can't really stay too long, but I got an hour and some change. So bear with me, guys. Stay in the chat. Stick around. Hey, what's up, Deontay? What's up, Deontay? Good seeing you. Hey, being you and chilling. Hey, I love that, man. Love that. All right, y'all already know how we start. Y'all already know, and you know I'm about to pop it up. Hey, okay, so look, we got Philippians chapter 1, verse 6. God, who began the good work within you, will continue his work until Jesus returns. Okay, guys, always, this whole life of ours, God is gonna continue to work his good, work his holiness in our lives until the return of Jesus. All right. And also, guys, we have Philippians 4, chapter 4, verse 4. Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again, rejoice. Let your gentleness be evident to all. The Lord is near. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Guys, never stop praying without ceasing. Don't stop having faith without ceasing. Keep having faith. Keep praying to God. No matter what the situation, no matter if you're in your car, no matter if you eating a bowl of cereal, no matter if you with me right now, we're gonna keep praying, guys. You know what? I'm gonna say a quick prayer. I'm gonna say a little quick prayer. Lord Jesus, I pray that we have a good day today. Everybody that's watching and our families, I pray that we are all blessed, that you're protecting us and you're guiding us, Lord Jesus. Forgive us for our sins. Show mercy on our souls. Continue to work wonders in our life, miracles in our life. Forgive us, Lord Jesus. Bless us, Lord Jesus. In your holy name, I pray, Heavenly Father. Thank you for everything. Amen. All right, so we're going to have a good day, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're going to have a good day. All right, let's get to these charts, y'all. Like I said, I ain't got that much time, you know. All right, we in macro. We're pushing higher. We broke. Ooh. All right, so we going higher. I see what. That's what. Man. Let's try to catch a trade. Get this trade going on, y'all. Happy for y'all in the chat. Thanks for joining. All right, so on the daily, look, we're pushing for that previous day high. Can y'all see that? We're pushing for that previous day high. It looks like we made higher highs on this this lower high right here. Look at this lower high. I'm gonna put this as lower high. Let me tap that. Lower high broken. Yes, sir. Just to let us know that, hey, this is broken. This is broken. We might continue to push long. That's all I'm saying. All right. We have a 4 hour below us. Floor hour. 4 hour demand zone. What's up, Amanda? 4 hour below. Like I said, guys, I'm not gonna be on too long. It's gonna be like an hour or so because I gotta bring my kids to the appointments. Okay, so bear with me. We're gonna try to catch a trade before I get off. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. 4 hour demand zone, which is still developing. We have a 1 hour. Go ahead and tap that right there. Put that right there. 1 hour demand, still developing, because we didn't close this green candle. All right, still pushing higher. We bounce off this fair value gap right here. 1 hour fair value gap right here. Perfect bounce. At what time we bounced off that? At 4 this morning. Perfect bounce. 1 hour FVG. Would have been a nice entry to bounce off that. Let's look down, go down to a lower time frame. We also have a 30-minute below us, 30-minute demand zone below that we didn't tap into. Just putting these zones, y'all. So we charting right now. We make sure we chart first before anything. 30-minute. Let's go. God bless y'all, man. Let's get it. All right, so we got a couple of zones. Even though we're still pushing high, we still have a couple of zones if we continue to go long. We have a 30-minute demand, 1 hour for FEG, 1 hour fair value. I mean 1 hour demand and a 4 hour demand, but it's still developing on this candle. And if we just push. All right, let's see what we got on news. See if we got any news before I get into any trades. Damn, we already went through hourly earnings, no farm employment, and unemployment rate at 7:30. That's why we got to push. We had a lot of news at 7:30. That's cool. That's cool. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, let's see if I can find a trade. We are pushing into this previous day high. I'm gonna see if I can catch a long into this previous day high. Let's see if we can catch a bounce. They'll give us a bounce somewhere. Man, we so extended already. All right, we do have a 5-minute fair value. I mean, a 5-minute demand right here. Hopefully, this might be a bounce we might be looking for, y'all. If we can get a retracement or retest, I'm catching this long. If they'll give it to us. 5-minute demand right here. Boom. Let's get it. Let me set this up real quick. Hey, this is going to be a very interesting trading market stream. I respect that. It's you feel it. You feel the difference in it, huh? It's all right. Give me 1 second. Let me go ahead and don't lag on me, computer. Come on now. Let's go. Let me turn this off real quick. Boom, boom, boom. All right, for everybody that need that word again, like I said, look, one more time before we take this trade. Remember, God is going to continue to do a good work in your life until the return of Jesus Christ. Remember that. Philippians chapter 1, verse 6. God will begin the good work within you and will continue his work until Jesus Christ returns. When Jesus Christ returns, God, to the day you die, is going to continue to work in your life. Remember that, guys. And also, Philippians chapter 4, verse 4. Rejoice in the Lord always. Always rejoice. Okay? Always rejoice. Pray continually. Continue to pray no matter where you at. Pray in all things and everything, good or bad. Pray to God. Always go to him. He loves you. All right? Don't stop praying. And I pray that the peace of God be with you all. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, we continue to push to this previous day high. I was hoping for a rejection or a retest back to this 5-minute. Let's see. I don't want to catch no trades because we fully extended. We so extended, y'all. And we are so extended. And we just continue to pump. If we do get a retracement or a retest back, I will take a long. I'm just letting you know that. That's my bias of the day. Just letting y'all know. Be mindful. I'm not an advisor. If you do take my trades, it's on your own risk. Just let you know. And guess what? We also passed our combine. Hold up. Let me see if I can pop that up. Let me get that real quick. Hold on. We passed our combine yesterday. Our 50K on Top Step. Another one. And we passed our Apex, which I'm waiting on the accounts. Show y'all that real quick. Let this market kind of come down. I'm going to show y'all real quick. Give me 1 second, y'all. I can't show y'all my email just yet. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let's go. Hold up. I'm about to show y'all this real quick. Give me 1 sec. If they'll let me show this, I hope not. I hope so, but I hope they don't block it like last time. Dang, they keep blocking it. There be a point where I'm trying to show y'all I passed the combine. Nah, they won't let me show it. I'm gonna just take a picture of it. Give me 1 second. Take a picture of it. Give me 1 second. All right, here we go. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Hey, we did that. If y'all in this, y'all passed. Let's go. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Beep, bop, bam. All these buttons I gotta press. All these buttons. I'm coming right now. Y'all give me 1 second. Don't go nowhere. Don't you leave, or you're not gonna see me on this account. Show my screenshot. There we go. Here we go. Yesterday at 5-1, 343. Top Step. Yes, sir. You are funded. Now what? Now I gotta pay for it. All right, y'all. So we're gonna trade another combine. I'm just gonna trade another combine. But hey, we passed. Hey, Rain. What's up? This is gonna be it. Yeah. Hey, we passed. We good. We got the Top Step email. We good to go. Now we gotta pass another account. All right, let's get it. I'm gonna get this out of here because this will be slowing my computer down. I think every time I click on my mouse and talk, it starts lagging. So I gotta be careful with that. Let's see if we're gonna get this retest. Going to a 5 minute. Let me look at a 1 hour. I think we closed on a 1 hour. All right, so the 1 hour close. Let me see if we can get a retest. And hopefully we can go long. Before I get off of here, y'all, because I gotta bring my kid to the doctor. Hey, thank you, Rain. You awesome too. God bless you. Can we get this retest? Can we get this retest? I don't think so. I think we're gonna pump it to this previous day high. All right, so we're gonna pump it to this previous day high. Dang. And we'll see if we can get either a long. You know what? Yeah, we pumping. Goodness. They ain't gonna give us this on retest, huh? No retest. Hey man, it's good to have y'all in the chat for real, for real. I get it from my favorite YouTube. Hey, thank you, Rain. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But guess what? I'm not your idol. You know who it is, your idol. Jesus Christ. Give it to the Lord. Always. Always. It wasn't for him. All right, let's see. We got 1 second. Okay, boom. Let's see if I can get a quick scalp long. Let me see if I can get a quick scalp long into this trade. Give me 1 second. Let me check it out. Let me see. Can I get a long? Probably not. Let me see. Nah. Retracement. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm trying to catch a trade with y'all before I get off. I gotta bring my kid to the doctors. We all gotta go somewhere, and I gotta go to the store too. So that's why I'm kind of on early. If y'all wondering why am I on already, I gotta go to the store and I gotta go do a tour appointment for my kids. So excuse me for my stuttering. Give y'all some entertainment. But other than that, if we don't, hey, I'm just happy y'all in the chat. I'm just thankful to have y'all in here for real. So thankful for y'all. This market moving sideways. All right, let's see if we can get a play in right here. We probably can catch a long. We also got a fair value gap right here if we do retrace. What we gonna do? Let's go. Let's go, market. We're just trying to see what we have. Okay. Are we rejecting? Are the buyers are drying up? Are the buyers drying up? Can the sellers become in control? If not, then we're gonna push higher. All right, we got 50 seconds until this 5 minute closes. I want to see what happens at this 5 minute close. Once this 5 minute close, this 5 minute candle, I don't know if y'all can see the 5 minute because look, boom, see the 5 minute right here? Always look in the back to see what time frame I'm on. So if you're ever wondering what time frame, look in the back of the chart. It says it right here. So we on a 5 minute. Once this 5 minute close, it's going to determine where I want to go because I'm trying to see. It's moving sideways right now. Can we break? And if we break this, I'm going short for sure. If we break this little area right here, I'm going short. But we stay in this area, I'm going long. We didn't close back above this, okay. 2 minute, no close. 3 minute. Okay. 5 minute. 5 minute and 3 seconds. Let's go. Okay. Ooh, no close on the 5 minute. But still, that's still an indication that we can still go long. We have no confirmation. No confirmation. Quasi is very determined when it comes to trading the marketing. That's funny. Yes, yeah. We determined. We gotta win. We ain't here to play games. We trying to win. We are squeezing out, y'all. So we gotta be mindful of which way the market might go. We're squeezing. All right, trying to get confirmation. We're squeezing out. Let me put a block right here. This is Dorito. Y'all know the Dorito pattern. That's what we do right here. The Doritos, nacho cheese. Cause we are squeezing and we haven't broken. I don't want to get faked out. Make sure we're not getting faked out of this play. See, we're not pumping high or we're not pumping low. We're not breaking. Y'all see that, right? We're not breaking. I gotta make sure. I gotta get confirmation. Gotta get confirmation. Is this confirmation? I don't know. All right, let me try 1. Let me try 5. Actually, no. Hold on. Let's try 5. We'll put a stop below this low right here for the push to the high. See what we got. Get rid of this Dorito pattern. All right, I'm gauging the market with 5 micros. Let's go. All right. Come on, stop a little lower, just in case we do break. Let's go. I'm adding more. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna accept this 355 loss. If we do break below, I'm gonna accept this loss. Actually, I'm gonna put it down a little bit more. Let's go. Ooh, I didn't like that candle, but that's cool. That's cool. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Get out and push, y'all. Let's go. We're in this trade. Now we might break down, but I'm willing to accept that 385 loss if it comes back down. If it don't, then you know it is what it is. But I hope it don't break. I hope we keep on pushing, but it looks like it. Let's go. We in this trade and we're going up to this previous day high. And I'm gonna take out once we hit it. Look, y'all see we in this trade, right? We in this trade. One thing I want to let y'all know. Look, the question is, remember when you in a trade, you always ask the question, you know, what does it cost? Are you willing to risk 385 on this trade with 10 micros, you know? And you always ask yourself this question, how do you find confirmation? What is it do you look for when it comes to confirmation, you know? So one of the ways that you look for in a trade, before you take a trade, is confirmation. And one of the ways is looking for, hold on, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. So one of the ways you look for when it comes to confirmation, you're looking for breakouts. You look for breakouts. You look for candle formation, you know? You either looking for candle closing. So you're always looking for certain indications that say, hey, this market wants to continue to go up. This market wants to continue to go down. But as you can see right now, the dryers do like they are drying up, but at the same time, we're grinding higher. So my confirmation in this trade was that the buyers are still in control because they're still grinding higher. We haven't broken yet. So until I see a break of structure, then I will get out this trade and maybe scale out. But since we are not breaking structure, I'm gonna stay in this trade because we will continue to grind higher and the trend is going up. So always look for confirmation, whether that is break of structure, you know, break out from volatility, whether that's support and resistance, supply and demand. Make sure that your confirmation is there before you take a trade. Don't always solemnly wait. You don't want to wait on like Oh, we broke out. Hey, we up 317. We did it. Don't look for volatility. Just because the market is going up fast or just because the market is going down fast, don't hop in because you feel like you're missing out. Always wait for your confirmation and your trade will follow through. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you're looking for your support. Make sure your support and resistance is following through. Your supply and demand, your breaker structure, your change of character. Make sure that your confirmation is aligning up with your trade before you take that trade, before you get into that entry. All right, y'all? That's going to be, I'm going to have to put that in a short for real. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure that you're getting that. Make sure your technical indicators are aligning with your trade. Make sure that everything that you see in your strategy is aligning. And when you see everything is aligning, you execute. And that's how you take your trade. But look, us following our trade, we didn't get the breakout. Look, as you can see in our last trade, we're grinding higher. We're going for that previous day high, right? It looks like it wanted to fall down. But the thing is, the trend is still long. And we didn't get no clear retracement. These wicks are showing, hey, we're going to go higher and higher and higher until we tap into this previous day high. That was my trade. And it played out. So, should I look for another trade? Should I look for another trade? I don't know. So always remember, guys, wait for your confirmation. Always wait for confirmation. Don't go when you see volatility because that can make you that can cause losses, you know? Hopping in and trade when you see volatility will cause you to lose. It will. So be careful. Always remember that you're not chasing volatility. Even though we might be chasing price action, you're chasing confirmation. You're waiting for your trade to come to you and to develop, and then you execute your trade. Always wait for execution. Always. All right. We're not chasing price. We're trying to calculate risk management. This game is about making money, but your focus is not supposed to be on making money. It's supposed to be on risk management. Not how much you're getting, how much it costs, how much you're willing to give up in order to catch a good trade. You know what I'm saying? So make sure that you're risking what you're willing to afford. Don't worry about how much it costs. I mean, don't worry about how much you're getting. Worry about how much it costs you. Then you take your trade. Make sure that all of your indicators and your strategies align. Even though the market could be bouncing up and down like 100 points, make sure that it aligns with your trading strategy. And your trade gonna work out every single time. Let's catch another trade. We up 317. We up 317. Let's see what we got. We pumping higher. Let me look at another time frame. We got the 5-minute breaking, 15-minute breaking. All right, so look on the 1 hour. Actually, let me look at a daily. So we feeling this whole wick right here. We're feeling this whole wick. All right, but on the 1 hour we didn't break. On this last candle, we didn't pass this previous day high. We closed below it, but we can still pump. Let me see if we have any other indicators that say that we might continue to go long. Let me see. All right, we do have another high right here. I'm gonna put that just in case we have to tap into that too. All right, so look, let me go down to a 30-minute. Dang, we might not get no retracement, y'all. We might keep on pumping. Let's see. Let's see. We trying to pass accounts. We trying to pass accounts. That's all I'm saying. All right, look, we have a boom, fair value gap. Let's see if we respect this fair value gap, especially at this trend line. So look, second trade. Let's make it simple. Second trade. Thanks, Deontay. You doing good too. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for the support. All right, look, we got a little simple trend line, our little support, right? You see our little support line, a little simple. It can break, and it can bounce. We also have a 1-minute fair value gap right here, and we're tapping into this higher low, right? This is a higher low. Let me put this line right here so you can see it. Let me put it to the right so you can see it. You see all of these are called indications. Indication. This is a support. That's an indication, or that's a confirmation. Or I'm gonna say indication. This is a fair value gap. That's an indication. This is a previous day high. That's an indication. You see what I'm saying? If we respect it, if we respect this this support, if we respect this fair value gap, and if we respect this previous day high, we can continue to go long. That is my strategy. And once I see that it's continuing to respect that, I'm gonna execute. Not because I see volatility, just because it respects my strategy. That's how we get into a trade. That's how you trade. Support line, because it doesn't want to break it. Respect of the fair value gap, and respect of the previous day high. So the way you can go, the way to get more confirmation, you can go through different time frames, like a 15-minute, a 5-minute, a 3-minute. Okay, we have another fair value gap at the 3-minute, a 2-minute, or the 1-minute. Hey, now here's the thing. We at a key level. We at an important level. We at the previous day high. We at a support line. We at a fair value gap. If we stay above this support, FVG, and the previous day high, we can go long. If we stay below this previous day high, below this fair value gap, and break this support, we can go lower. You see what I'm saying? So we can see a retest if we break all of this, and we can see a bounce if we respect all of this. That is confirmation. That is the strategy. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. All right, let's see what we're doing. Let me stay on a 5-minute. We have 3 minutes until this 5-minute closes. Or 12 minutes on the 15-minute. Let me see if I can find any more confirmation. The more confirmation, the better, right? The more confirmation, the better. Remember that. The more confirmation you have, whether it's 3 or 5 or 10, the more confirmation, the better. And then you take your own trade. You execute. All right. All right, we break it down. We break it down. But hey, I want to see a break on this support line. I want to see a break. If we break this right here, look, if we break this right here, I'm going short. That's gonna be my full confirmation of going short. Because we could have a fake out and go long. You feel what I'm saying? We can have a fake out. And I don't want to have no fake out. This could be a retest bounce. Right? This could be a retest bounce. So let me see. This is another zone right here. 1 minute right here. Boom. 1 minute. Boom. Put this right here. Take that off. If we break this 1 minute, what happens? We go short. If we don't break this 1 minute, we go long. That's my strategy. Make sure y'all like and subscribe too. You know what? I ain't got no water. I'm tripping. Market opens up in 10 more minutes, y'all. 12 more minutes. Look at that. Boom. Look how we bounced off that 1 minute. See? Nice bounce. Somebody might have put a somebody could have put a support line. Boom. See that support line? Somebody could have put a support line. Say, oh, we broke. We broke structure. That means the short's coming in. But then again, it bounced off a demand zone. Now look. We are tightening. We in an important key level. We bouncing between zones. We bouncing between a fair value gap and we're bouncing between a demand. So if we continue to respect this demand, we might bounce up higher. So we gotta see. We gotta wait. You gotta sit on hands. You can't get into a trade until you get full confirmation because we are in range. This is called range action. You know, we're price ranging. We gotta wait. We gotta get more confirmation. We got 40 seconds to this 5-minute close. Another confirmation is this candle stand above this wick. That's confirmation. Or this candle in between these wicks. So you know we gotta have more confirmation. So for the most part, we have 3 confirmations for either the short or the longs. I'm gonna repeat it again. The 3 confirmations that we have for either the longs is this previous day high, this fair value gap, or this demand zone in the support line, right? And that go vice versa for the shorts. So 3 confirmations for the short or the longs. It looks like we're breaking this demand zone, but we gotta see. This could be a fake out. You always want to make sure that you don't get caught into a fake out. Okay, we didn't close past that, right? We stayed above this demand zone. Stayed above this demand zone. This candle printed above this green bar. Even though it looks like we're breaking down, that doesn't mean go short. Let me look at a 5-minute. 5-minute just printed. Okay. We still got the 15-minute, 9 minutes on that. Boom. Boom. Let's see what we got. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. You know what? I'm gonna keep the support line. I'm gonna keep the support line. And if you is in this trade, be patient. Unless you want to. I mean, if you want to take the trade, you can take the trade. I'm not gonna hold your hand. But if you do take my trade, be mindful. I'm waiting on the next trade, y'all. I'm just letting y'all know. We got 10 minutes before market opens. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Let's go. $10 minutes. We are in range. Remember, market opens. I'm gonna try to catch a trade at market open too. I'm trying to get confirmation. My confirmation is either we go short or go long. Based off these indicators, we have a fair value gap, we have a previous day high, and we also have a demand zone and a support line. That's gonna be, these are my indications. If we continue to go long or we continue to go short. So I'm just waiting. I'm waiting on confirmation. And the market opens up in 9 more minutes. So you might see sideways action. You might see consolidation for the next 9 minutes. But once the market open, I get volatility, I'm taking my trade. Let's go. We got a phone call. Bloop. Okay, what's going on? What we doing? Are we breaking lower? This might could be the break, but I gotta see a break. I gotta see a break past this point right here. I gotta see this candle past this wick and close. You see this? You see this wick right here, y'all? I want to see a close past this wick before I even take a trade. I don't see no close, no take no trade. Look how fast everybody was like, oh, the short's coming in, right? The short's coming in. The short's coming in. Let me get in short. Look what happened. Pump. Ate up all the sellers, right? All right, we pumping. If we close past this candle right here. Oh, wait a minute, never mind. We got 7 seconds on this candle. I gotta see something. What we gonna do? We didn't close. We didn't close, but hey, this is, ooh, we squeezing. Hey, we squeezing out. Market opens up in 7 more minutes. 7 more minutes. We are in an important key level. All right. 15-minute candle. This 15-minute candle did pass above this previous day high. But also, this 1 hour didn't pass above this high. So we might have a bounce. We might have a retest and then a bounce. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Could we go shorter? I don't think so. I don't think so. It don't look like it. I mean, we can, but I don't like how it's forming. Boom. Okay. Candle close pass. Let's see if we can get a retest. Let's see if we can get a retest back up to the highs for a short. Let's see. I'm gonna try to gauge the market with 1 micro. I might try. I might see if we don't get a bounce right here. All right, let's try 1 short. 1 short and with a stop above this high right here for $40 loss. Let's see what happens right here. 1 short. The reason why I'm taking the short is because I like how we close below this candle right here. I like that. Even though we might bounce up and down, I want to see what happens right here. And I'm willing to risk the $40. Wait a minute. Did we get a 3-bar reversal? Did we get a 3-bar reversal? No, we didn't. This could be a tight spot. We got how many? We got a couple more minutes until market open. A couple more. This market is trying to decide which way it wants to go. Let me get rid of this trend line. This is invalid. Market opens up in 5 more minutes. Market opens up in 5 more minutes, y'all. Remember, you take your emotions out of this market, you will succeed. We don't trade emotion, we trade confirmation. Alright, remember that. We trade confirmation, we don't trade emotion. Don't worry about how much money you're gonna make. You're gonna make money. See, you're gonna make $10, $12 easily. You're gonna make $100 easily. Alright, you know what? I wanna see if I can catch a trade backing down into this fair value gap. Let's see if we can bounce into the, let's see if we can get a TP into this fair value gap below. I got my stop at these at this high right here. Let's see if we can push down low into this fair value gap. I mean, it looks like it's looking good. I ain't gonna lie, the trade looks great. Market opens up in 3 minutes. The buyers and the sellers are thinning out. So everybody's 50-50. The tilt is 50-50 right now. The tilt is 50-50. All right, we're pushing higher. Look at that. I'm gonna stay on this 5 minute. Go down to a 3 minute. We in 1 micro. All right, we're pushing down. Tap into this fair value gap and getting out. And we are trading market open. We're gonna be in the market open trade. All right, let's go. Oh, it bounced right back up. Retraced. Look at a 5 minute. Market's getting volatile. I want to see if we can stay below this point right here. Can we stay below this point for a quick scalp on short? Can we stay below that point for a quick scalp short? Market opens up in 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. One minute and 20 seconds, market opens. Interesting. That was an interesting move. We didn't break this low right here, but I'm trying to see if we're gonna tap into this fair value gap before I add more. Hey, thanks Deontay. Remember, guys, I gotta take my kids to the appointment, so I'm gonna be getting off in a few after this, like 20-30 minutes after this. I'm gonna get off, y'all, because I gotta go. Come on, market, let's go, let's go. Market opens up in 20 seconds, y'all. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Let's get it. 20 seconds, and we in a short. Are we gonna pump? Are we gonna pump? We're gonna see. Ooh wee. I'm adding. And they moved my stop so far away. Let's go. Let's get down there. put my stop tight above this point right here for a loss of 180. I want to see us shoot down. I want to see us like literally tap into that fair value gap. If not, then oh well. I'm adding more. For a loss of 5. I'm gonna put my stop below. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Now it could bounce on me. But we respecting this area. I like how we respecting it. I might need to get myself. We stopped out. All right, so we're down 226. That's cool. The buyers came back in. That's cool. But hey, that was a good little trade. I thought we was gonna tap into this fair value gap, but it didn't want to. I was looking for a quick scalp, but I'll take my loss. 226. All right, no problem. Let's look for another trade. Let's get it. We were up, but that's okay. Let's see what else we got. Let me get rid of all this stuff. And if we come back down into that move, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna take the trade again for sure. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so we do have a wow. Let me see. Can we pump long off this? Hey, let me see. We hitting some important key levels for real. Hey, for sure. Let's go. All right, let's take another trade, y'all. Damn, we couldn't really tap into that. That's crazy. We couldn't even tap into that fair value gap. That's crazy. But good try. Good try. See what happens right here. Market is volatile. Volatile right now. All right. We're gonna wait on more confirmation. Before I take another trade, we're gonna wait on more confirmation. We are pumping higher. We got 1 minute to this 5-minute closes. 11 minutes on that one. Was this a good bounce? I don't know. Let me see. Was that bounce worth it? I mean, yeah, it could have. Can the shorts still come in? That's the question. Let me scout for one more short. Let me see. Actually, hold on. Let me get this trade. Let me get this trade first. That shit crazy, bro. Proud to see how far you came. Hey, thank you, Trayvon. Hey, what's up, Trayvon? We are ranging, y'all. We ranging. I'm gonna take one scalp short with the stop above the highs. I might add into this if we do get some clear breakage. Ooh, we're breaking. Good at drop. Goodness. All right, we're scalping, y'all. All right, it didn't get me in that trade. It didn't get me in. I'm in the trade, but hey, it didn't get me all the way in to take that profit. Oh well, that's cool. That's cool. I'll take it. Here kind of retracement off the fair value gap. What am I listening to? Let's go. I'm just holding this trade, y'all. I'm just holding this trade. Hold it into this 5 minute. Let's see if we get a retracement. Let me get rid of these lines. If we can get a retracement, if we don't break all the way down, if we can get a retracement over here and a break to this 5 minute, I might try to get a quick scalp short. If we don't, just hit it already. Goodness. Yeah, we hit it. That's cool. We hit it. Nice short. Nice short. Wow, these shorts are coming in. All right. Let me see if I can get more. Let me see if I can get confirmation to get out. I think we're going to continue to break. I'm taking out. All right, so we're down 131. Let's look for another trade. Let's look for another trade. I would have added more, but man, that movement was a little aggressive. See what happens at this fair value gap. If we get above this fair value gap and stay above this fair value gap, it's long time. It's long time. Unless we want to tap into, unless they want to tap into this. This is tough. This is tough. We gotta see. Hey, we gotta see. This is tough. Here we go. Give me 1 second. Let me go ahead and put this. Let me go ahead and start adjusting this stuff. Was that bounce really that strong? Goodness. Let's see. Boom. Man, them candles. Man, them green. Dang. Them longs really came in heavy. Big time. Big time. Big time. Big time. I'm just looking for more confirmation, y'all. More confirmation, then I'm gonna get into a trade. I just need more confirmation. I think this is confirmation right here. Put my stop. I'm gonna put my stop below. At 78. And I'm gonna let y'all know why I see confirmation. I'm gonna let y'all see. I'm gonna let y'all know why I see it. Why I think why the longs are gonna come in. Why do I think that? I'm gonna add. Let's go. Bring my stop up tight. Come on, let's pump. And if not, then oh well. I might scale out. If you try to do some craziness. Oh my goodness. Big drop. Let's see if it can hold. I'm adding more. If it'll let me, there we go. All right, we're risking a lot, but I'm gonna put my stop tight at 400. And if we go down 400, then I'm gonna just take it off for the day. I'm just gonna take my risk. Hey, I'm willing to risk 500 in total. I want to risk 500 in total. That's my risk. If I don't make this trade, going up to this previous day, I'm getting off. If it breaks it and hits it, it is what it is. Oh well, I'm gonna put my stop a little bit lower at 500 and it just take that 600. All right, it's about to stop me out. Maybe not. Follow your trade. Don't get scared. It might stop me out for real. I might scale out. All right, stopped out, down 656. Whew, that's tough. That's tough. It's all good though. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can catch one more trade. One more trade before I get off. Oh, don't tell me you stop me out to go back up. If you stop me out to go back up, I'm gonna be so upset. That's crazy. Hey, if I'm stopped out to go right back up, I'm gonna be upset, man. I ain't gonna lie. No way. Don't you dare do that. Did it stop me out to go up? Yo, I'm about to be upset if it did. Okay, making sure. Bro, that's not nice. That's a big wick. I ain't gonna lie. That's a huge wick. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I stopped. Yeah, you stopped. No, you didn't just stop me out just to go up. No, man. That's crazy, y'all. That's crazy. Hey, you know what? Still gonna take the trade. Let's go. Hold up. Wait a minute. Put my stop below here. I'm gonna just risk 1,000. That's my trade for the day. I'm willing to risk my 1,000 if we continue to pump. Let's go. Can't believe you stopped me out, bro. That is not cute. Let's go. Sometimes it happens, you know. Sometimes you get stopped out. You get stopped out. It be your trade. You get stopped out, and then you gotta accept the loss. Now, if we do lose, let me go down. Let me bring it up tight because I want to make sure that I only lose 1,000, nothing less. All right, that's all I'm risking. Just 1,000 for the day. I accept that. Dang, we are not breaking that. All right, we're down for the 1,000. All right, it is what it is. I tried. I had a good day. It is what it is, y'all. At least we got the funded. Hey, at least we got the funded. At least we got the funded. I'm happy about the funded. At least we got this. It's just a combine, so I'm not too mad. I'm not too mad. I'm not too mad. At least we got this. At least we got the top step combine pass email. Hey, let's go. I mean, I could have went down to 1,000 on my my PA. I mean, on my combine, but it's all good. It's all good. We are consolidating. Look at this. Look at all these wicks. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, I'm playing in range. Should I go to another? Let's see. Hold up. Should I go to another combine? Damn, I got a bunch of them ineligible though. We tried though. What time is it? 8:47. Look, 9 o'clock. I'm gonna go to my other combine. Even though this combine is done, look, I'm gonna lock it out. It's down 1,000. Save the account. Remember, it's not about winning or losing. Hey, I follow my rules. I was willing to risk 1,000. I'm locking it out so I don't blow this combine. Go to another combine. I only got like 2 more. The other 5 is ineligible, right? I'm gonna try one more trade on another combine and see how I go. I'm gonna risk. I might just risk this. I'm gonna just risk 500. Let me see. Loss of. I'm gonna do 650. I want to risk 650 and liquidate me. 650. Get out of here. 650. All right, we're gonna risk 650 today. No, not this one. Wrong account. I'm tripping. Goofy. Wait, why is it not showing my P&L? Hold up. Wait, give me 1 second, y'all. That P&L is not right. It gotta fix up. Hold on. It's lagging. Come on, P&L. All right, so I got 1 combine. This combine is down. If it shows my P&L, we are tanking. Y'all see that? We tanking. All right, I see we rejected once, twice, 3 times. We're coming back down. Hey, that's what's up. This market was ready to go down. Big rejection. Nice rejection. Nice, obvious. Dang, that was a good move. I ain't gonna lie, that was a good move. I thought the longs were gonna come in. I thought the longs were gonna come in off this bounce right here, but apparently not. Is it showing my combine? Hey, thank you. All right, apparently it's not showing my combine. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. All right, so look, we was down 1,000 on this one, right? Down 1,000. I'm not gonna blow this account. I'm gonna let it be. I'm down 1,000 on my next account, and I only got 1 more, and then the rest are ineligible. All right, so look, we're gonna check 1 more trade before I get off this market. 1 more trade. Let's see. 1 more trade. Let's take it. So we are breaking down. Let me take these off. 150. We have 1 combine pass. We passed the combine. We have a PA now. I just got paid for it. I ain't paid for it yet. I'm down 1,000 on 1 combine. I passed the PA. Now I have another combine. I'm about to see if I can trade and, do good on it. All right, so let's see what happens right here. We have a 5-minute right here. Fair value gap, that's invalid. Let me get rid of that. I don't like how we're breaking off that. Let me get rid of all this stuff. Man, we rejected off this perfectly. Beautiful, beautiful rejection. Even though I thought we was gonna pump up higher because of like how we closed above that, but oh well. Let me see. All right, let's see. Pumping up. Not getting just yet because I gotta get confirmation. Confirmation. No confirmation yet. Oh, we pumping. Oh goodness. Hey, this market is not allowing us to get any trades in. Man. Don't you love it when it moves 20 points in like 10 seconds? We're moving 20 points in 10 seconds, y'all. 20 points in 10 seconds. Goodness. I'm just, man, come on, get. I'm looking for confirmation. We're looking for confirmation, y'all. Looking for confirmation. Could we still short? Or we're gonna continue to go long? I like this 15-minute. Hey yo. Hey yo. Hold up. Let's gauge it with one. What in the world? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, hey, when the market get volatile, the market kicks you out. So remember this, when you on top step, right? And you're trying to take a trade and the market gets super volatile, like in that 2% limit price range, they kick you out. They close the market. So you can't trade. We are breaking down, we're tanking. Wow. But hey, we could be moving sideways. This could be rangy. Okay, no confirmation close. Let me get rid of this 5-minute right here. This is invalid. Let's go. One more trade before I get off, and we're gonna go heavy this time, okay? We're gonna go heavy this time on one more trade. Let's get it before I get off, because it's Friday. I ain't gonna see y'all for the whole weekend. I'm not gonna see y'all the whole weekend. So it's Friday, we're gonna go out with a bang. Let's get it. What we doing? Are we breaking? Let's see, 5-minute. Are we gonna break this 5-minute? Or are we gonna stay above this 5-minute? But, yeah, we breaking it. It looks like we're breaking it. We gotta see. It could be a fake out. It could be a fake out. It could be a fake out. Let me look at a 1 hour. Any bounces at 1 hour can we take? 7 minutes, 7 hour. 7 minutes to the 1 hour closes. Let's see, bounce right here. 30-minute, 15-minute. No clear direction. No break of it yet, though. We're not even breaking it. That's what's crazy. We did reject. Did we have a previous day rejection? Yeah, we did. We rejected out the previous day. One hour rejection. Definitely close. I'm looking for that. I'm looking for that total soup. That turtle soup, y'all. I'm looking for that turtle soup. Looking for that turtle soup. Let's go. Big rejection though. Can y'all see? Y'all can see what's going on? All right, good. All right, we're gonna keep moving. We gotta keep moving. I'm just making sure that I'm gonna get more confirmation. The more confirmation, the better. The more confirmation, the better. That's all I'm looking for is more confirmation because we are wicking. This market is indecisive right now, y'all. This market doesn't know where it wants to go, and the big buyers or sellers are not in this market right now. All we seeing right now is number of retail traders. So I'm just trying to make sure that I'm getting confirmation that everything is agreeing to what I'm seeing. And if not, then we might just move sideways. We just might see sideways action, sideways movement the whole time. I'm just trying to get more confirmation. That's all I'm trying to do. More confirmation to go long or more confirmation to go short. Because we are in range, but we're moving big time. We're moving big moves, y'all. These are big moves. See what we got. Yeah, we in range. Look at these big ass moves. We couldn't pump higher. So look, we tapped into this previous day high. we retraced it, and on this green bar on a 15-minute, we retraced it, but at the same time we didn't close above. We're creating lower lows. Would you consider this lower lows? Yeah, lower lows. Let's see. Boom, lower lows. Could this be a retracement? I mean, could this be a rejection right here? We're gonna see. Can this be a rejection to go shorter? Or we're gonna break this resistance and go higher. I'm taking my trade. I'm going in. 1 micro. Well, 10 micros. 1 mini. Is this rejection? Are the buyers in control? All the buyers are in control. Can we break this resistance? That's the question. Can we break this resistance? If we break it, we're going long. But if we don't, but the thing is, we rejected off this previous day high. On the 1 hour, we rejected off the previous day high. On the 30-minute, we rejected off the previous day high, but I don't like the rejection. It almost looks like it don't look right. You know what I'm saying? I don't like it. Okay. Rejection right here. Is this a rejection? This could be the rejection. Damn, that rejection was crazy. That rejection was crazy. Damn. Yo, this market is volatile right now, yo, for real. Hey, if I advise y'all, if you trade in this market, be careful. Be very careful. This market is volatile. Let's try 1 mini. Let's try 1 micro. 1 micro short. I just want to see where this market gonna go. Put my stop below this put my stop above this high for $62 loss. Are we breaking down? I can't really tell. Are we creating a bear flag? That's the question too. Are we creating some type of flag? We didn't break this 5-minute. Let me get out this trade. I don't like it. I'm going long. Put my stop below this 5-minute. See what happens right here. Or we're gonna respect this resistance. Remember, I'm risking 650. I'm risking 650. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me show y'all real quick. So y'all can see that I'm risking 650. Look at this. I'm risking 650. Y'all see? Oh shit! No, hold on. 650. We're risking 650. All right, y'all see it, right? 650. That's where we at on the low. Let me put this back. 650. That's what we risking. I'm going heavy. All right, we in a micro. We in a mini and a half. I'm putting my stop below. Wow. I just want to see what happens right here. Don't stop us out, please. What's that sound? Let's go. Hey, we are in a key level. All right, we're about to get stopped out. This market do not know where it wants to go. At all. All right, look. I'm about to get off, so I had to play a heavy move. I played a heavy move for y'all. I'm about to get off in a few. We're gonna let this trade ride out on this combine. Can we push higher? Can we break this resistance? Let's see. If we can't, then, you know, it is what it is. We'll be down today. It is what it is. That's why we here. We're gonna keep on practicing, keep on jabbing every day. Like Michael Patak say. Keep going. We are thinning, we are squeezing out, y'all. I might have to take out because this is getting way too thin. I don't like that. It like maybe might get some slippage or something. Let's go. Let's push it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, longs. Let's go, longs. Let's go, longs. Let's go, longs. Let me take out some partials. Come on, longs. Let's push. Don't reject. Let's go. Let's go, longs. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, longs. Let's go, longs. Let's go. Hey, let's get it. Gotta stay professional, all right? We gotta stay professional. We can't be getting too excited, you know? The trade worked out. We seen the rejection. We seen that it respected that fair value gap. Even though this market was going crazy, we take out partials. Boom. We up 584, and we got 6 runners. Let's go. Put my stop at break even. Risk-free trade. Let's get it. Y'all see it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Deontay, let's go. We did that, y'all. We did that. Y'all did that. Let's go. Look at that. Bam. Well, bam. Hey, I'm about to get off, y'all. I'm about to get off, man. I gotta go to the doctors. I gotta go bring my kid to the appointment. All right. It was good seeing y'all, man. I got to 9:30. I gotta make it there. I'm happy for everybody that's been in the chat. Also, remember, guys, look. Look. I'm gonna let this trade run. We doing good. Remember this. Hey, God, who will begin the good work within you, will continue his work until Jesus Christ return. Remember that. We're going to always rely on God to continue to do that good work in us. Because without him, how we going to all do good, you know? Everybody going to just continue to do evil. Remember this, y'all. Look, Philippians 4, verse 4. Rejoice in the Lord always. I say it again. Rejoice. Let your gentleness be evident to all. Be gentle, guys. The Lord is near. He sees all. He knows all. He hears all, right? Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and by petition, with thanksgiving, present your request to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. God is the Prince of Peace. Jesus is the Prince of Peace. He will give you understanding. He will give you wisdom. He will give you discernment. He will give you peace. He will give you comfort. He will relieve you from your stress. He will do it all, you know? Look around you. Look at the trees. Look at the birds. Look at the sky. It's all peaceful. God is the Prince of Peace. God. And, you know, we have to fear the Lord because we know he's all powerful. All I can say is I thank y'all for being in this chat. I'm about to go ahead and close this move out. We up 1116 on this account. Look. All right, so look. Down 1100 on this account, up 1100. Wait, how we up? Okay, up 1100 on this account. Thank y'all. God bless y'all.